Hi everyone. Yeah, so this is nice that I've started from here only, and you people are starting from here, and that will be a very good experience, of course. So yeah, so I did have a gap year of one, and I didn't know that what to do, like what industry wants. I graduated from computer science, but I did not have much experience of what industry wants from a candidate. So yeah, so I was doing coding, but still, you will be you if you don't know what industry wants, you will not be able to cope up with all the all the relevant things. So I joined 10x Academy. We have that one-to-one mentor session where we were able to grasp that how actually the real interviews takes place, and that really helps me to get into the real interview in a very comfortable zone, I would say. And yeah so and the daily practice session really helped me that to get the logic. I mean, it's very hard to get the logic within a time limit. So we had that like 2 hour session where we get problems like 4 to 5, I guess, four problems, and we have to solve them. And the competition, the healthy competition which was there within us, I mean, among all the candidates, it was really good. So like one person is performing well, then you see, okay, we can do well, and you can ask them, and the doubts, if you get any, you can solve that doubt during your doubt session itself. So yeah, so all these things all together really helped me in the real interview. And then we have that apprenticeship program where we can get through all the technologies that have been there in the market, and that helped me to get through the full stack development project. And we have to like work uh, like all the people work in the IT industry, using uh, GitLabs, and pushing your request there, and I mean, raising your PR there, and uh, like uh, uh, I mean, all the experience that I had with that apprenticeship program was was same as that IT industry works, because now I am into the software development position, and now I know that what I had learned in the 10x Academy during that full stack, I can use that knowledge into my real time. So yeah, it helped me a lot. So that's and I got into a better place as software development engineering. So yeah, that is my experience. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Anshika, for sharing your experience with us. Now, Vineet, can you unmute yourself and share your experience?
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Ireti. Yeah, hi guys. Hope you are doing well. I'm Vineet. I'm from mechanical engineering. Like, I don't have any prior coding knowledge. So, usually, I'm a 2019 graduate. Like, there has been a gap in my resume, and I was kind of distracted. So one of my friends suggested to join the 10x Academy, and I had as you people, even I had the doubt that whether I can cope up with the curriculum or these things. So what I did is even I asked these people, so they said that even no coding background is required. So initially I joined this academy, and we had initially pre-boot camp. Then I got a feel that okay, I can do this. Then first initial months were of data structures and algorithms. What's the best thing about them is you have each student has one mentor. They will be solving your doubts, and most of the things will be done in sessions. Even then, if you have any doubts, these one-to-one mentor sessions will be helping. They are really very helpful. And even during every weekend, we used to have mock interviews from the industry professionals, the actual people who will be taking interviews in the industries. They'll be taking your mock interviews. So like in that way, you'll be having like, without giving the interviews, you will be having like all the experiences of the interview, so that while going for a real interview, like you don't have all those nervousness and everything. And like the best thing is like you will be able to get the logic which will be done in like you'll be getting the optimal solution within in no time. Initially you will with these rigorous practice and all this like support of mentors, and even they will be providing you like reverse solution sessions, so that your approach towards the problem and like how to get the optimal solutions, like what are the tricks, they will be helping with you then. And the best part is like you will be having the full stack project, and even this project is like a live industry project, not just some random for the codes. This live project will makes you like what are all the technologies available. You'll be get to know what all the technologies available to know. And even you'll be having the daily standards meets, like as which goes in the industries. You'll be having stand-up meets, GitHub reviews, peer reviews, same as everything. Like right now, I'm realizing that these are like it is nothing different from a industry project. These things will be same, and like most of the people might be worrying that like how to get these technologies and all those things. Like once you get the logic and all those things, like language or any other programming language is not a matter. Like you will become a language agnostic general software engineer. That would be very helpful. And like not only that, like coming to interviews, even you will be getting the help from 10x people with the soft skills, resume building, and everything they will be taking care of. And one of the best thing is like even working professionals from the industry, they will be guiding you how to approach the interview and all those things. And one best part of this 10x Academy is like these you won't feel any tiredness or like monotonous work. Like you will be feeling like enjoying the every moment while you are with 10x Academy. And the best part is like you will be getting placed in some good product company. And like once you get into the industry, you'll be knowing the what's the value of this product, getting placed into product company. And yeah, that's it. Like right now I'm placed in McAfee. Yeah, thanks to 10x Academy.
Hey, thanks a lot, Vineet. Thanks for sharing your experience with us. So we have three more of our students, so we'll go through them and then we'll go to the Q&A session. So Krishnamsi, can you unmute yourself and share your experience with us?
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
yes, you are audible, Krishnamsi.
Yeah. Currently, I'm a working professional. I'm a 2018 passed out. I've been working at Infosys Bangalore. So when the lockdown came last year, I shifted to my hometown. So at that time, I feel like there is still some time. I mean, when you were in office, you don't find that time, because whatever the work is there, you will be immersed there itself at the office. And by the time you reach your PG or your room, it will be done for the day. So when I was here at my hometown, I decided like it's about to complete 2 years by the time. So why not try some new latest technology? So at the time I was searching on internet, like, see, if for anyone who passed out with CSE or ECR, who have some attraction towards big companies, they will, I mean, like that, I also search for what is it required to be placed in Amazon or Google, Facebook, like the product based companies. So each and every blog or any Quora answer, I find that in every interview they will ask about DSA, data structures and algorithms. So I mean, that is when I found out like, okay, there is something called DSA, so we need to master those, then only we can get placed into these companies. So I find out, I mean, then I was searching again what are the latest, I mean, not only latest, what are the available platforms that can teach us the DSA. So at that time, I don't know how it happened. While I was surfing on Instagram, I got this ad from 10x Academy, like, I mean, pay only after you hire, and this is what we teach. This is our curriculum, and these are our people who are gonna teach. I mean, they placed a PDF there about the about the people who are going to teach the students. And then I went through their profile on LinkedIn, and everyone is from IIT, and some are from BITS Pilani, and some are working at Google and Facebook and Adobe. So I then sign up for 10x Academy, and for 1 week, they just conduct a pre-boot camp for 1 week. So after that, they conduct an online test based on the pre-boot camp, and then they took the students who qualified in that pre-boot camp. So, and from that time onwards, the real program started. So every day we used to have 2 hours in the morning. I mean, based upon the tutor who is going to teach you, based upon their timing. And on weekends, it used to be stretched a little bit more. And after that, in the afternoons, we used to have these practice sessions. Every day we will be given DSA questions. I mean, initially they will be easy, but after that, more and more the pace will increase, and more and more the difficulty in the problems will increase. They will cover from wide variety of topics. I mean, whatever the topics were there from DSA, you will get questions from everything. I mean, for everything, there will be questions every day. We used to get like 4 questions or 5 questions like that. And not only that, by end of the week, they will share an Excel sheet like these are the questions you are still pending. So they will get an information like what are the questions you are pending from your side. So when they surf like that for 2 weeks, then they will understand that these are the areas there these people were lagging. And at the end of the week, either on Saturday or Sunday, I mean, for me on weekdays, I used to have work also. That's why they used to conduct one-on-one sessions for me on weekends. So on the weekends, we used to share our screen, and we used to code ourselves for the questions. And then the other person who is a professional, I mean, they themselves are working at present in those big tech companies. So they will understand where I am lagging, why I am getting more time complexity. I mean, for every question here, the best thing is you will get to know how to write the optimized solution. So, so from there, I understood like, okay, this is what I am lagging. Okay, this is where I am lagging. And then I used to interact with them like, so we need to know, right? I mean, what is the difference between us and them? So where we need to brush ourselves, brush up our skills. So every week we used to have one-on-one, and once after 4 months is done, or 3.5 months, I am not sure. We used to have mock interviews at that time. In mock interviews, they are like, sorry, is it audible now? Udit?
It is audible, Krishnamsi. So if it is not, if it's
Okay,
not,
okay.
okay, yeah, it
Yeah,
was
yeah.
a bit low before, but yeah, it is more clear now. Yeah.
Okay, okay,
You can
fine, fine.
continue. Yeah.
Okay, so in the mock interviews, again, these peoples were a bit higher than the previous ones who we used to get one-on-one sessions. So these people started focusing on from introduction about yourself to what are the topics where the initial stages of screening happens. I mean, that is where, right, where we used to, if you want to enter into any big company, first of all, we need to screen ourselves. I mean, they will filter us, right, first of all. So they will first ask questions like that, and then we used to, again, this time not only just screen sharing, we used to have one-on-one video call, and then they will check how the, I mean, how I mean, what are the soft skills we are lagging on, are we formal or not, what are the areas we were lagging on. They used to give feedback to the 10x team, and the 10x team will again interact with us. So like that, there will be a one-on-one caring for everyone. And for me on weekdays, I used to, I mean, I am not in a position to complete all the questions. So on weekends, I used to stretch myself a bit more, and then I used to complete it. At that time, there will be many mentors assigned to you. Like, I mean, initially it was like we used to ask anyone like that, but it was like a little bit messy. So then what the next team came up with is, for every 3 people or 4 people or 2 people like that, they used to assign one mentor. And with that mentor, I mean, all your data will be with that mentor. He or she will check what are the kind of questions you are able to solve, what is your area of expertise, and where you are lagging. And they used to call us, and they will say, see, this is where you are lagging. If you are really good at something, and then they used to give questions from lead code and hacker rank, solve these questions, this will improve you. So all these things were like, I mean, it was like a caring, even though you are at your hometown and they were at 10x, everyone, it was like a closed, um, interaction every day. Every day it happens like that, and on weekends it used to be a bit more. So if you can devote 6 months or 7 months of your time completely to the training, whatever they tell you, just blindly follow them, whatever they tell you. So at the end of the month, then you will congratulate yourself, yes, I did a good thing. And then comes the project. In the project, again, we used to know, I mean, at the time I got to know there is something called GitHub, and how GitHub is useful in sharing the code reviews, how the peer sessions happen, how one-on-one reviews happen, and how in a project, how modularity works. So everything on industry standards, I mean, these people are again experienced. These for again projects also, they will divide you in teams. Each team contains 4 people maximum, that's it. So, and in these 4 people, everyone will be assigned a task, so that you will able to cover all the front end, back end, and database part also, so that you will get to know the gist of what is what of everything. So in those times, you will understand what is the importance of even how to search on the internet, how to get the solution. See, not everyone is an expert in everything, right? So at the moment, you will understand, okay, how to get the solution from internet also. I mean, this is where I'm lagging, how the modularity works here, how we can write the optimized solution in the projects. And at the end of the week, we used to have presentations. At that time, we used to know, I mean, we were able to know, I mean, we may be the best at that time, and some people even might show up a better, I mean, everyone have their own area of expertise, right? So in those weekly presentations, we will get to know, like, okay, this is the area where our team is lagging, okay, this is where we need to focus on. So like that, within 1 to 1.5 months, we complete our project, and we get to, I mean, we were like a complete mix of everything. We got to know about DSA, we know about full stack, and then the placements happened. And within 1 month, most of the people got placed also. So this is how it is from the beginning to the end, my journey in 10x. That's it.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot, Krishnamsi, for sharing your experience.